Hey, are you worried because you have these shoes but you don't know if your pair is fake or not? Don't worry no more because your boy is here to help you not to get scammed out there. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to legit check your Jordan 11 gratitude, and yes, I'm gonna do a real versus fake on the Jordan 11 gratitude. And just look at this. This is scary. Be careful out there. And let me tell you something. Let me give you an advice. If you don't want to get scammed out there, first thing you gotta do is respect the fakes, because those people showing you trash quality fakes are not helping you at all. All right, those are pretty easy to identify. You can see the quality is trash, the shape is like yeah, but your boy is gonna show you how to differentiate the real pair from the fake pair. A good pair of fakes compared with the real deal. So if you want to learn how to legit check these shoes, this is the right video for you. So before we go into these comparison or whatever, let me ask you to go and hit the thumbs up if you like the content. Also go and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Activate the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, which is every single day, guys. So go follow me on my Instagram and on TikTok as Jason J Cakes. And now let's begin this video. Right here I have the two shoes. This one right here is the real pair and this one is the fake pair. Take a look at the shoes right quick. As you can see, very similar, but I'm gonna show you how to differentiate these shoes. But first, let me go with the box. This is the fake box and this one is the real box. As we can see right here, the box of the real pair is bigger than the one on the fake pair, but has the same details. It's like, you know, these people start working really good, so we gotta be careful. Both of these has the Jumpman. The Jumpman on the real one seems to be bigger. Probably that's because of the size box. When we open the box, hold on. We have the tissue paper. Let me show you. I'm coming. Yeah, right there. Look at the tissue paper on the real pair, and also we're gonna have thank you right here. That's on the real pair. Then when we go to the box of the fake one, we can see these lines here also that you can use to legit check your shoe. And when we open the box, we're gonna have thank you as well, so be careful, I'm telling you. And we're gonna have the tissue paper. Let me zoom in to show you. Look at the tissue paper. Tissue paper looks almost identical, but the box is gonna be smaller. That's what you should focus on. And now let's go with the shoes. This is the real pair, the one that has the laces like this. Remember that so you don't get confused. And this is the fake pair. Look at that. Cool. These shoes is, man, I'm telling you, be careful outside. Be careful outside. Let me put both of these side by side, and as we can see, very similar shoes. Take a look at both of the Jumpman, the gold Jumpmans. Seems to be good. And the back of the shoe, we can see that the real pair, this area of the real pair seems to be a little wider than the one in the fake pair. Can you see that? Let me know if you can see that. Let me put these side by side. Okay, cool. The patent leather seems to be a bit taller, just a little bit, but you can see it. It's a little bit taller, the patent leather right here. Both for the 23s, I don't know. Let me know if you can notice something on the 23s. They seems to be about the same, but then when we go to these leather, take a look at the leather on the fake pair. It's good. The leather is good. I'm telling you, it's good. I gotta be honest, it's good. And now take a look at the leather here on the real pair. It's really good. It's really good, but let me zoom in to show you something. This one, the one on the fake, and this one, the one on the real, as similar as they look, you can see that this one is a bit more wrinkled than the one on the fake pair is. And this one has a willow speak right here, and this one have it as well, but it's just, I don't know, it's a bit different. Just look closer, look at the small detail. And now look at this. This one seems to be a bit bigger. The form, the shape is not as defined as it is right here on the real pair. And also right here we have a willow pick, and right here as well, but it's just a bit different. It's a minor difference right here. Though on the fake one, the willow pick seems to be a bit more noticeable than it is on the real pair. Let me know if you can see it right there. Now let me see on the tongue. This one right here is the real pair. Take a look at the laces, and this is the fake pair. Take a look at the Jumpman. The Jumpman seems to look like more defined. Like this one seems to be like, I don't know, got something rear on it. Something look off. You can see it there. Let me know side by side. The gold on this one seems to shine a bit more than the one on the fake. The leather, again, a bit more wrinkle than the leather on the fake pair. But I gotta say that intensity, the way it feels is really scary for real. On the inside of the shoe, as we can see, we have the 23 on the real pair and the 23 on the fake pair as well. Again, shines a bit more on the real one than on the fake one. I'm gonna go with the insole, but just give me a moment. Let me show you a big difference, and it's on the outsole of the shoe. As we can see, this is the fake one and this is the real one, and you can see there's a big difference in terms of the color. It's a bit more strong, the milky color on the fake pair than it is on the real pair. You can clearly see that right there. Real, fake, and look at the color of the outsole. The color of the outsole shouldn't be that strong on your real pair like it is on this fake pair. Should look like this. So if your outsole looks like this, run. Then let's focus here on the carbon fiber. The carbon fiber seems to be about the same, just a bit more shiny on the fake one. You can see that. You can see that. It doesn't shine as much on the real as it shines on the fake. So another thing that you can use to legit check your shoe. Outside of that, the shape looks good, but the color is different. Again, here, this is the real pair, this is the fake, and take a look at the shape of the toe. Seems to be a bit more bulky on the fake pair than it is on the real pair. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. That's another good point that you can use to legit check your shoes, guys. Now, let me go straight with the insole. So let me take out the insole of the real pair. Right here we have it. Take a look at the stitching as well. I'm gonna show you that on the fake pair. Just give me a moment. The fake pair also gonna come with this inside, and the insole is what I want to take out. Hold on. And here we have the insole. Now take a look at the stitching. The stitching on the fake pair is in black. Take a look at that. The stitching of the fake comes in black, and the stitching of the real comes in white. That's a big giveaway right there. Now take a look at the insoles of the real pair. Now let me show you the insoles of the fake pair. I just touch it and I feel the difference. This one seems to be a bit more floppy, the one on the fake pair, than this one. You can see it. Now look at this. So yeah, that's a big difference right there. This one is the fake, this is the real. The line seems to be a bit more noticeable on the fake than on the real one. So you can use that to legit shade your shoe as well. And on the other side, the fake pair is not as white as it is on the real one. This one has a 12 right here. That's the size of the shoe. This one doesn't have it. The fake one doesn't have it. So yeah, you can use that to legit shade your shoe as well. Outside of that, what can I say? I hope this video helped you at least a little bit. So I just don't want you to get scammed, guys, because the sneaker game is scary right now. Very scary. And you can see why. There's some differences, like the one here on the outsole, but it's really hard to tell. Like on feet, it's gonna be really hard to tell, but if you pay close attention to the small details like the outsole and the shape of the toe, you won't get scammed. I hope this video will help you guys. This video was for educational purposes to help you don't get scammed out there, because the scammers are going to be active this holiday. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know if you noticed any flaw that I didn't mention, because I didn't see it. I'm a human. We make mistakes. That's what it's all about, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you want to know more about me and my content, follow me here on my Instagram, JasonJKicks. I'm always uploading videos, pictures, sneaker information like show drop and everything. So follow me on Instagram, JasonJKicks. Thank you a lot for watching. Until the next one, goodbye.